Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cognism for Sales Intelligence CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Cognism website. Look for the sign up or register button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your first name, last name, and email address. Create a strong password that meets the platform's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Provide your company name and job title in the appropriate sections. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms before proceeding. Once all information is filled out, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open your email inbox and find the email from Cognism. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the Cognism platform. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Complete any additional profile information as prompted. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Begin exploring the tools and resources Cognism offers for sales intelligence. Take note of any tutorials or guides provided for new users. You are now ready to utilize Cognism for your sales intelligence needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.